Hey B&H viewers, today we're tackling portraiture with long glass. Telephoto lenses that compress foreground and background for a beautiful ethereal effect. Now 85mm lenses are the industry standard for telephoto portraits, but to up our compression game, we're going a bit longer. First up, the Sigma 135mm 1.8 Art. I love this focal length. At 135mm, this is slightly longer than what many folks are used to, and that's a great thing. The narrower angle of view makes for some sharp pictures. In the studio, we were able to compress our subject crystal with both foreground and background filament bulbs. This makes everything in the frame appear closer, offering up a bold, one-of-a-kind look. Out on the street, I made some heroic shots of AB with Nikon's 300mm f4 PF ED VR lens. There's a lot of folks out there that swear up and down that large apertures are the best way to isolate a portrait subject. Now, there's some truth in that, but equally important is the distance between your subject and the background. Using the longer 300mm focal length and keeping a good amount of space between AB and the cityscape gave us beautiful shots with creamy, dreamy backgrounds. One of my favorite long lenses is Fuji's GF 250mm for the GFX medium format system. On the street, we made a variety of snaps compressing foreground and background elements. And again, by going with long glass, your images bring all of these elements tightly together, rendering photos with character and complexity. Canon's EF 200mm 2.8L II USM is one of the most undervalued lenses out there. The focal length is killer for shooting close-up portraits. Here, I shot crystal straight on, carefully setting focus on her eyes and letting the rest of the information in the frame softly fall off. The sharpness of the in-focus area is about as literal as you can get with a photograph, while the nuanced softening of the background pushes a poetic aesthetic. Employing long glass is an excellent way to up your portrait game. Naturally occurring sharpness and image compression come together to form some of the most unique photographic aesthetics. Do you use long glass for portraits? What's your favorite portrait lens? Let us know in the comments below. For more on photography and all things imaging, visit B&H. I'm photographer David Flores. See you next time.